Hello there and welcome back in this lecture in which I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube channel using the elements that we have just created and ChatGPT as well. So in order for you to customize a channel, this is a channel that I think I had maybe 10 years ago. I never actually published any video on it, but this is the perfect channel because that's what we're going to need, assuming that you don't have a channel or you have one, but you want to customize it. So if you go to your channel and click on View Channel, here you can click on Customize this channel. That will take you to the YouTube Studio. And you can actually start customizing the YouTube channel's information, and you can basically create a description for your channel. You can add a banner and a logo. We're going to be interested in the branding. So I'm going to click on branding here. And I want you to go ahead and to change this to the logo. All right, so this is the logo. I can click done and I don't need to crop it or anything. As you can see, it looks really, honestly, it looks good. Okay. Now for the banner, upload your banner. And as you can see here, this is the size for the banner. But if you follow what I've said, you should be able to have a pretty decent looking banner. Okay, so now we have our banner. And as you can see, this is what's viewable on all devices. And this is what's viewable on desktop. And the other areas are only viewable on TV. And I suspect that many people will actually watch you on TV. And if they do, they will still be able to see more. And the background is transparent, which means that they will see the entire picture. But as of now that we have basically created the banner and the logo, here there's a watermark. Now for the watermark, it's very simple. What we're going to have to do is basically go to Canva, click on custom size. Here, as they're saying here, it's 150 by 150 pixels. So that's particularly the size that we have to put our design at. 150 by 150, click on create a design. Now, we can particularly close everything else apart from this because I'm seeking to copy this, and then I'm going to go back. So 150 by 150, and it's the watermark. So basically Control V, hit paste it there. There you go. There you have it. Now, if I zoom out, now still it hasn't been pasted, but let's first of all name this YouTube channel thingy, or a YouTube channel. All right, YouTube channel pop-up or watermark. Let's go back. Watermark logo. And here, I'm just going to click Control V to paste in the logo. Now, in your case, you don't have to do this. You can just upload the image from Leonardo directly, and then you can add a frame to it exactly as I've shown you. So I'm going to download this with a transparent background. Again, if you don't have Canva Pro, you can use another tool, which is remove.bg. So right now our channel is getting ready. So I'm going to click here to upload the image, and there you go. So right now we have our little thing that's going to show. And if people click on that, they're going to be able, actually, normally it should display at the end of the video, and you can even customize it. I'm just going to keep it at the end of the video and publish these changes. Okay. Now we can view channel, but let's just keep it for later. Let's go to basic info. On basic info, the name of the channel. The name of the channel is Ringside Tales. That's a pretty decent name. Now here, I don't know why, but it seems to be, okay, I think it's good. So let me just go back. Ringside Tales. And here for the handle, I'm going to add Ringside Tales, all written in basically like that. And the description, we can ask ChatGPT to write a description for our channel. You can add links. So if you have a website, you can add a link to your website. If you want to add your email, you can add it, even though I recommend you against that. But if your purpose is to create a channel to be lucrative and to also get some deals from brands online, then adding your email can help because they can contact you in your email if they have a deal for you. But that's assuming you start to get a lot of views, which, by the way, is not impossible. But it takes work and it takes time. So for example, this channel has 375 videos, but 1 million subscribers. And every video they publish, in just 4 days, they get approximately 145,000 views for this video. Some videos don't get views, but when you publish the right video that people like, that has the best title and that people really admire, like for instance here, this one, the history of Sauron. Actually, Sauron is a pretty, I would say, attractive character to many people. And so when you talk about topics like that, then you can get more views. You can expect to get more views. Anything about Sauron really is trending. You can see here Sauron the Necromancer. anything with Sauron, really. Just search the topic Sauron and you'll find that people are really attracted to Sauron for some reason. But in our case, we're just going to go back to our channel. So here, if I go to ChatGPT, I will go to a new chat here. Let's open up a new chat. Now, I'm going to basically write a prompt. Let's say I have a YouTube channel titled, and I'm going to give it the title of my channel, Ringside Lore, and it speaks about the Lord of the Rings lore. Now, not ringside. Ringside, is it ringside lore? Yeah, I think ringside tales. I'm sorry for that. All right, ringside tales, and then here, Lord of the Rings lore, and I want a proper description for it. So let's just wait. Hopefully, it doesn't give us a politically correct answer by saying I can't do that, because we're not asking it to create a logo. Here, welcome to Ringside Tales. Immerse yourself in blah, blah, blah. And as you can see, I can just simply copy this with the emojis. I'm not sure if the emojis is going to display precisely as we seek, but I'm just going to copy everything with the emojis and everything and everything. So, subscribe. That's also a great thing. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Scroll down here. Place the description. Okay. Your description is too long, right? So probably let's just remove these parts that says insightful, blah, blah, blah. That stuff that's not really interesting. And then I think I'm just going to keep it at that. Now, add a language. Now, I'm just going to publish it like this, to be honest. And now let's go ahead and view the channel. So if I click on View Channel, we will be able to see our channel, which will look quite decent, I have to say, because I'm quite skilled at this and I've done it for quite some good times to know how to do this. But as you can see, the banner looks good. Ringside Tales. The logo is great. All that is necessary right now is for us to go ahead and just start the process. And that's exactly what we're going to do in the next lecture.